Hi everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I'm so excited to share with you guys today another box that was sent to me by Shea Moisture. And this month I'm actually really excited because I get to make something. So what I was sent was a box with their new beauty hack line. So Shea Moisture has a new kind of line to them called Beauty Hack, and it's really cool because you get to mix and match and play with different things to kind of make face masks, body scrubs, and also hair masks as well. So that's kind of what was in my box. So in the box this month I have my base, which I got some Aztec clay. Super excited to try this. Never messed with clay before, so we shall see about this. Which should be your step one. So you have your base. And then for step two, it sent these two little things, kind of hard to focus. One is the green tea shot, and the other is white rice flour. So I'm pretty sure this is a much fine powder, and I can use this one for a sugar scrub. For step three, I have two oils. So one is a rose smell for soothing, and of course eucalyptus, which I'm obsessed with eucalyptus smell. Of course, if you know too. So some good stuff, good stress reliever too. In the pack this month we also got grapeseed oil. So this is another pure oil that can be used. 100% pure coconut oil. Now it has gone back into a solid, so I'm gonna have to kind of melt this down before I can use it, because I'm definitely gonna use this today. And then we also got mixing jar and a silicone brush. I was actually just getting ready to order one. Shea Moisture sent one to me, so I didn't even need it. And then also too, in this month's box we got a recipe book. So if you go to different stores or Shea Moisture's website where they sell everything and you want to mix and match and find cool things, you have a exfoliant, a cleanser, a softening, a detox, balance and brighten, and then kind of a product guide. So it's a list of all the products that come in this new beauty hack collection, all here, and you can mix and match. So for today's video, I am going to do a face mask using the clay, of course. And I think I'm going to do the clay, the coconut oil, and the eucalyptus for my oil. I think that's all I'm going to use. So 3 things. Oh, please don't let this spill everywhere. Never worked with this before. Okay, so it says 1 tablespoon of clay. Okay. 1 tablespoon. I have these out of my kitchen, and this is a half. I don't even know where my 1 is. Oh, this is super fine. Okay, so I have my, that looks like more than enough. This is 1 tablespoon of the clay. And I'm gonna go ahead and close this back up. And then I'm gonna do a half teaspoon of a pure oil. So like I said, I wanted to use the pure coconut oil, but it is in a solid form now. So they just recommend to run hot water kind of over the jar, and then it'll melt right away. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, melting this jar actually took a lot longer than I thought. So what I'm gonna do is, as you know, it's kind of, oh, it's pretty soft. If I get it on the side. So I'm doing a half a teaspoon, which I'll probably do a whole teaspoon just because. So I have my teaspoon of this. I'm just gonna, then 1.5 teaspoons of water. So 1, 2. All right, got that. And then your dash of essential oil. Like I said, I'm gonna be using the eucalyptus because it is my favorite. Comes a little small jar like this. How many does it say? It says 1 drop. I'm not gonna overdo it. So, oh, that was definitely like 3 drops. I'm gonna be smelling good. Okay, so I have my clay, my coconut oil, my eucalyptus drops, and some water. So now I'm gonna mix it all up. Mine is coming out super thick. So I wonder, it's probably because that coconut oil was not melted. So, and that eucalyptus smells actually really strong. 3 drops was way too much. Okay, it's definitely because the coconut oil was not melted. I mean, it is just, it won't even stick to my face. Okay, so I finally got it to a consistency that will like stick to my face. I did have to use, like I set the jar in hot water to kind of melt everything down a little bit. I really don't know where I went wrong, but you guys saw, like I'm not measuring really. I feel like I'm just not the type of person that measures, so I was not about to start here, but it's super warm because of the hot water. And then you can leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes and then you rinse it off. See, like now, look at the consistency. This is so much better than what it was before. Like you saw, you still see, oh wait. Okay. So much better than what it, so much better than before. Okay, I'm gonna stop messing with it. Let me get, Hey guys, so I'm back. I had my mask on for about 10 minutes or so, so I just rinsed it off with a black face cloth and some warm water. I will say that eucalyptus is doing its job. Like I feel so relaxed. I was taking really big deep breaths when I had the mask on. It dried down and it came off super easy with warm water. I was actually really surprised because it is a clay. I know the next thing that I want to try will definitely be a body scrub. I'm gonna go online to Shea Moisture's website, and I'm super excited to try the sugar scrub. So they have a base that's a sugar scrub, so it'll come in like a really bigger jar, and just put some eucalyptus and rub it on me. Just what I need after a stressful day. So that is it for this month's box with Shea Moisture. Once again, it was their beauty hack box. So I got to create my own beauty hack with a base, some oils, different scrubs and sugars, oils. Amazing. Thank you so much, Shea Moisture, for sending it to me, and I can't wait to see what's next. Until next time, bye.